How to fix Facebook identity confirmation failed. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Messenger. Open Messenger now and go to storage option. Click now on the last button, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. Now go to this option up here on top, make sure that this option is allowed like this, and that's it. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.